What up? Soarin found Drumline here at the football game. It's Kings v Eagles. The score's not good right now, but we're so spirited, right guys?
What's up guys? Yeah, pretty awesome. This is Gavin. You'll probably already know him. He's awesome too.
What's up?
I'm the better Gavin. No, you're not.
Yo, what's up? Opening night, yeah. Opening night,
Yeah, man.
jingle bell rock, jingle bells swing and jingle bells ring, snowing and blowing up bushels of fun. Now.
Are you guys ready for some drums? It does, yes.
Hello, students.
Oh, it's just stripping away from Gavin, how many sticks are we gonna drop?
Like.
Isaac, how many sticks are we gonna drop? 0. Dane, how many sticks are we dropping today?
At least one.
How many sticks are we dropping today, Julian?
Maybe 2.
Tommy, how many sticks are we dropping today? 24. Nate, how many sticks are we dropping today?
Like 16.
How many sticks are we dropping today?
0.
How many sticks are you dropping today? 61. How many sticks are you dropping today? Dean, how many sticks are we dropping today? Or Dean, how many sticks are we dropping today? 1. Avery, how many sticks are we dropping today? Okay, you already dropped 1. That's embarrassing. Hadassah, how many sticks are we dropping today?
0.
Cameron, how many sticks are we dropping today?
1 at the end, just to spite you.
Okay. And Gavin will drop all his sticks. Because of course he's not here. Caleb, how many sticks did you drop?
Oh, 0.
Tommy, how many sticks did you drop?
Still 0.
How many sticks did you drop? 3. Nate, how many sticks did you drop?
0.
Hey, how many sticks did you drop? 1. How many sticks did you drop? How many sticks did you drop?
All of them.
All of them? How many sticks did you drop?
Vanessa, how many sticks did you drop? Yikes. Avery, how many sticks did you drop? 1. Dane, how many sticks did you drop? Okay, nice. Julian, how many sticks did you drop? Gavin, how many sticks did you drop? 0! That is definitely not true. Gavin, how many sticks did you drop? Let's go. Dropped all of them. Isaac, how many sticks did you drop? Let's go, Isaac. How many sticks did you drop, Dean? 0. Nice. Cameron, how many sticks did you drop? None. Yeah.
Squeak, how many sticks did you drop? None or Scrooge?
What?
Get it to me!